In this training, we will go over how to find our ranking when compared with other realtors and other companies in the greater Lansing, Michigan area. So the very first thing you're going to do is log into Flex. You'll come to your dashboard. You'll go to menu over here in the left-hand corner. And when you click on menu, you'll scroll down. And what we're looking for is under statistics. And you can see I have already favorited it because I use it a lot. And it's called inventory and production. And you'll click on inventory and production. And you know you're in the right place if this looks familiar, if you see all of these items on the left-hand side under reports. And then you'll click on saturation analysis. When you click on saturation analysis, you'll come to a new window here. Keep everything the same. Go ahead and scroll down. I'm just going to show you a basic one, but you can always edit this information later. And then down here, you're going to click on market share, Greater Lansing, so that it's all members who are part of the Greater Lansing Association of Realtors. And you can either sort by year to date or just December or any month. And for this purpose, we'll just do just December. So I'm going to do market share for the last month, December 1st of 2020 to December 31st of 2020. And then you'll click next when you have your dates in. Click next. Keep everything the same. You're going to rank members. Click on the button that says use this selection. You can sort by number of transaction sides or number of sales volume. I always sort by sales volume. It's already set to the sold properties. Down here, you need to make sure that you have listing or selling members highlighted. Listing or selling members. And then down here, it says, please enter the maximum number of members to display. There's about 1,100. I usually just type in the first 100. Then if you click next, give it a few seconds, and it will generate a report. And you can see here that we have a report of 100 names sorted by sales volume. They give us the transaction sides. They tell us the average sale price of the home that member sells. And if we just keep scrolling down, you'll see all the way down. It gives us all 100, the first 100 agents in the last month. And that's how you do that. And then this is the print button, which allows you to print the report if you'd like to do that as well.